Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 16th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays dry tomorrow. Some rain at times this weekend. Sharply colder Sunday. And what about Thanksgiving week? Much to talk about. Here we go. Water vapor satellite view. Trough passing well to the north of the state across New England. We have a dry air mass in place here. The clouds we had this morning have pretty much dissipated. That's the visible satellite view this afternoon. Still some patchy clouds lingering over West Alabama. Temperatures are in the 60s. Birmingham at 66, right where we should be for this time of the year. And around the nation, noticeably colder up north. And we'll be pretty chilly tonight. We'll see lows in the 30s in many spots tomorrow morning with a good chance of scattered light frost. But even colder air arrives on Sunday. On the watch warning map, the eastern half of the nation quiet. Some winter weather issues for some of the western states. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Things are quiet. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder to the north and west of here. And on day 3, which is Saturday, there is a marginal risk of severe storms just north and west of Alabama. In fact, that clips the northwestern corner of the state. Maybe some thunder here Saturday night, but severe weather not expected. And the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thanksgiving night of next week. Rain amounts about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch for much of Alabama. In the tropics, the guys at NHC have X'd a spot down in the far southwest Caribbean. Looks like an old front there, just a low chance of that developing over the next 5 days. So let's dive into the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Big trough over the Pacific Northwest. And again, for us, a beautiful day. We start the day between 37 and 40. Colder pockets could see a freeze. The high should be in the mid to upper 60s. The sky will be mostly sunny. Great night for high school football playoff games tomorrow night. Saturday, as the weekend begins, you can see that front north and west of the state trailing a surface low that's near Cleveland. Let's go down to the high-res NAM. This is 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon. You can see showers potentially generally north of a line from, say, Demopolis to Clanton to Anniston. And the surface boundary is moving into extreme northwest Alabama. This is faster than the global models. We'll say the better chance of rain now between 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon and 3 a.m. Sunday. That's our 12-hour window. This is 6 o'clock Saturday evening, and the NAM pushes that thing all the way down to Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden by 6 o'clock. Could be a bit slower than that, but one way or the other, we'll have a chance of showers, maybe some thunder, no severe weather. Rain amount should be under 1/2 inch. Sunday, noticeably cooler. Saturday will be close to 70, but Sunday, the high will be closer to 50. That's almost a 20-degree drop with a good north wind. With cold air advection going on, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Monday morning is going to be cold. Looks like a widespread freeze for the northern half of the state. Lows between 26 and 32. Monday's high should be in the upper 50s. And Tuesday, the sky mostly sunny with a high in the low 60s. Now, beyond that, it's Thanksgiving and confidence really drops off. Let's go to Wednesday. This will be the busiest travel day of the year, and things are relatively quiet for much of the country. We would be cool and dry if this is right. Rain for the Pacific Northwest, maybe some light snow for the northeastern states, but again, no major storminess here for the big travel day. And then Thanksgiving a week from today, looks like an upper low is trying to close off in the Gulf of Mexico, and underneath that, rain for the Florida Peninsula. But if this were to verify, Alabama on Thanksgiving Day would be cool and dry. We start the day around freezing. The high would be in the 50s. But let's go to the European, and it says not so fast. It cuts off a low in the Gulf well to the west, and it's got a surface reflection south of New Orleans. And this is suggesting some clouds and maybe even some showers Thanksgiving Day. So, we've just seen this model madness. There's no confidence here. But if this were to verify, the day would be cool, cloudy, maybe a few scattered showers. We'll keep going. This is Friday, Black Friday. Again, we'll stick with the European. It's got that surface low in the Gulf. Clouds maybe some rain, and then Iron Bowl Saturday, the surface low goes nowhere. And again, that would suggest kind of a mostly cloudy day, but probably not much rain, with highs in the 50s and lows in the 40s. We'll go back to the GFS on Saturday, a radically different look. It's got that low that's in the Gulf on the European, way off in the Atlantic, and an approaching front. And then the following day, Sunday, that front comes in here maybe Saturday night with a chance of showers. So again, just any solution, take it with a grain of salt this far out. It's just too early to call. Check the numbers. You can see the big cool down on Sunday with a high dropping to 52. The ensemble's got 33 Monday morning, but I think with radiational cooling, we'll be below that. And then after that, highs mostly in the 50s, lows around 40. But again, I caution you, those numbers can and probably will change as we get closer to Thanksgiving. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.